Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make this beautiful, as you can see, document holder for precious documents. It is totally easy to make it, and for this one I decided to choose this green paper for the second one. But first things first, please subscribe for my channel and like this video, because it will help me a lot to develop my channel, because I have so much ideas to show you. Okay, as I said, I'm going to use this paper to make this pocket document holder actually, and I'm going to show you what kind of papers I'm going to use. Let me remove this one because you can't see the brand. Let us see it. It's from Dovecraft, Sweet Paris. I like this kit very much because it looks very vintage, and it's 8x8 as a sheet. Unfortunately I can't find it because I bought it before 4 or 5 years from my one local shop that is not so near my home, but I can't find it anymore. I don't know why. It is very sad because I want to buy more from these sheets because they look very beautiful. Okay, let me just remove this one because I don't need it, and I'm going to show you how you can make this pocket, again pocket, I'm sorry, this document holder. This document holder, it's very easy. You don't need specific size. If you have your kind of design papers, you can use them. You can use everything actually, and you can decorate it in many different ways. It's going to look gorgeous, I'm totally sure of this. And it's very easy to fold. You don't need something special. You can decorate it with a lot of laces, for example. Depends on your project. I'm just showing you just as an idea how you can make it. This is only the basic. Everything like decorations is up to you. So I made little folding here, like you see. And I'm going to use my scissors to make little notches from left and right side, like this. Why I'm choosing to use such little borderline like this one here, because it's more beautiful, because it's tiny and you look very delicate. This is the reason why. Of course, you're free to do whatever you like. You can make it bigger, but I think as smaller it is, it's as beautiful it is, you know. It looks more elegant for me. Okay. This is the reason why I'm choosing such small notches. We won't need any this part. We won't need this part. Just let me cut it out. Okay, and do this little notch here and here and here. didn't cut it well. Like that. So it is completely done, and it's very easy to make. Let me just find where I put my ink. Okay, I'm going to use this distress ink, vintage photo, to distress the edges. Usually I like to use a lot of this. I really like to use a lot. I don't know for you guys, but I usually like to use, as I said, to use a lot of this ink because it looks very gorgeous. Okay, let me just glue the little tabs that I make. And for this document holder, I prepared this beautiful decoration that I'm going to put it probably here. I want them to look different this time. Or here. Here is better, I think. I think here is better. I don't know. What do you think? I used this kind of leaf that you can see and a lot of scrap fabrics. To make this beautiful embellishment. Okay. And let me just take this beautiful lace that I choose, and I'm going to put it on top. On this document holder. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to leave it to dry. It's going to dry faster, I think, but it's very fast to make if you don't know what to make, like addition for your junk journals. This one and this one here, and I have to, for sure, on 100%, I have to wash my hands. But I'm going to show you. Let's imagine that this is the document that you want to hold so preciously in those document holders, and I'm going to show you just as an idea how it's going to look like. Perfect. It's going to look perfect. So I hope that you like this video. Subscribe for my channel, please, guys, because this is going to help me to develop my channel more. And hope that you like this video. Give a thumbs up and see you in my next one. Bye bye, guys.